Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. It's like 80 degrees. Yeah. And it's not even spring. What do you think I'm going to do? What do you think I'm going to do? Come on. What do you think I'm going to do? You think I should get in line? I got $1 million. I can afford it. Doesn't look like they're crowded. Could be easy in, easy out. Not too many people in there. It's midweek. Just being careful about her. Number one deluxe meal. Steve. A good name. Yeah, that's a good name. What are the cheeses? Oh, yes, please. Could I have a Coke Zero with no ice, please? And no sauce. That's it, thank you. Oh, you're collecting here? Oh, there it is. If it still works, right? There we go. Thank you very much. Let's see if I can get myself organized here. I'm just an old man. There we go. So actually I'm going in right after the truck. So if I had gotten into the truck lane, good. I figured it. Oh, good. They're giving. So I paid. Let me ask them if I give the receipts here or they only collecting money. They're having too much fun. Don't you know you're at work? They're talking to the guy in the truck. She's dancing. Maybe he's got music on. So when I pulled in, there were how many ahead of me? 3? Basically. Like I said, even now it's in the upper 70s. It was in the 80s today. People are out on their motorcycles. I just talked to a couple of the motorcycle guys at Food Lion store in the parking lot, looking at their bikes. The line not moving? Pardon? Yes. Do I get a receipt in the bag? Do you print receipts? So she guessed my name. Something. I thought this was going to be easy in, easy out. The line doesn't seem to be moving. They need to take some of their outdoor people and put them in to do the cooking. Speaking of motorcycles, there's one behind me. I'm looking in the rearview mirror. Something out there with a lot of blinking lights. Actually, it looks like a truck. Why isn't the line moving? It would run out of gas. Okay, now the white car is moving. Yeah. They got a fan, do you see that? I told you it was up to date. And also, maybe it's to keep the flies off of them, who knows? Oh, now it's moving. Yeah, now it's moving. So somebody came with a big, gigantic order to the drive-up window. Yeah. We're going to feed 25 people. You can just put it all in the back, in my SUV, in my truck. Let's see if they have the order for speed ready. Now, I'm just having fun. This is probably, see, this part of the line really was moving fast. You better hope it's speed. It looks good. You guys, you like how hot it is today? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Better than the cold. That means she's been working there a while and she knows what our winter is like if you do outside service. She had a great smile. Okay, now I am hoping that I'm doing this right. Yeah, see that? I came in to do some food shopping, and with the daylight savings and the fact that it's Tuesday, hang on, gotta get this right. Don't want to bump anything. I figured I would stop here because it would be pretty much easy in, easy out. Oh, I just got the green. Now you know, what I like it, and I can smell them, is the waffle fries. Hang on. I know you're not seeing much out of the windshield. Oh, they're hot. I love the waffle fries. Pardon me for eating and talking at the same time. See, baby, for you. Headed home with supper in his hand, saying, see you at 73.